Hello my dear YouTubers, my subscribers, welcome to this channel, and I'm Natalia, your travel guide and insider in Belarus. We are in Minsk. Today is Sunday, Catholic Easter, so I want to say happy Easter to everybody who celebrated today, who celebrates this great holiday. And I wish you peace. Peace, this is the main word which we use during last weeks and months, and I wish all of you to have peace in your families and in your countries, of course. Don't forget about loving each other, helping each other, supporting, and live happily, because every day it's like a new life, and it's a gift. So important not to forget about it. Here in Belarus we also celebrate Catholic Easter as well as Orthodox one. So our country is multi-confessional country, multi-religious country, and quite tolerant in this religious topic. So we have Catholic churches and Orthodox churches even located in one place, around 1 square. For Orthodox people, we have Palm Sunday today. I will show you a bit of this atmosphere from Minsk. While local Catholics gathered at home with their families and friends having a festive lunch, Orthodox in this Palm Sunday buy willow branches, which are the main symbol of this Palm Sunday. So they bring these branches to the church and after keep it home till Easter. That's why almost everywhere in Minsk you can see old ladies selling these willow branches. During last week I'm getting some questions about visiting Belarus, how to come, how to open visa, about the rules of border crossing through land checkpoints. And you know, I'm really happy to have this request, because it means that you are interested in coming to Belarus, and who knows, maybe I will have few tourists this season. I would like to be back to work after such a long period of non-working as a tour guide, as a person who organizes travels around Belarus. So guys, don't forget about these options. You can write me and I will be happy to organize tours if you plan to come to Belarus. And now I want to tell you another thing about visa-free entry, that during this month, starting from today, from 16th of April, people from Lithuania and Latvia, they can come to Belarus through land borders, and they can come without visa. It sounds really good, but I would like to hear that this list of visa-free countries, will be extended in coming future. Let's hope for that, and let's hope that you will be able to come to Belarus. I will leave my Instagram account here, so you can subscribe and see some news from Minsk and some of my updates which I post there on daily basis. Okay, stay in touch, ask questions. You ask me quite often to show you the atmosphere of Minsk. Today Minsk doesn't seem like a touristic city, half empty, few people walking around, music, cafes are opened, but still not so warm to sit outside. I'm waiting for the time when we will have this opportunity. I also want to say words of gratitude to my supporters, to those of you who not only likes and share my channel, but who donate some money to this channel for coffee, for beer, and so on. Guys, it means a lot to me. It really matters. You don't know even how you support me, how you inspire me. Every time when I get some money, I smile. When I read a phrase like, hey girl, buy a beer, coffee on me, move on. We support you, we believe you, you do a great job. Such phrases and your financial support really matters to me. I think about everybody who does it for me. I'm sending my smile to you, my energy. So every time I see a message, even if I don't know the name, I'm sending many thanks to you, to everybody who supports my channel, who believes in me. Thank you a lot. Ryan, Mirka, Rod, Nicola, Caroline, and some others whom I don't know. Thanks a lot. Remember that your support to this channel will help me to make new content for maybe you in the future, maybe for the others who would like to come to Belarus. Thank you a lot, guys. Stay on the channel, stay tuned, and see you on the roads, offline or virtually.